Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Pingpong on Binance Alpha. So Pingpong just get this on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box in the top, and then you can search Pingpong. Oops. Pingpong, can search it. You'll find alpha Pingpong on alpha. This one you can click it, and then this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not really good, but maybe you see the opportunity, you can buy it. But this is not financial advice, you have to do your own research. And if you want to see the details, you can click info in the top here. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is not good because it's under 10 million. It's not really good. You can also check their website and their social media, their X account. You can also check their audit. So yeah, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you will find limit order. You can put the order here, you can put the price here, the price you want to buy, and also the amount here, the amount of the Pingpong. And then you can choose instant. You can just swap your BNB or other token to Pingpong. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.